Welcome to the Automotive Blockchain channel, everybody. In this video, we are going to be covering 3 ways dealers can benefit from blockchain technology. And I know you may be thinking, okay, what are they? I know. But before we get into it, please go ahead and hit the like button or subscribe if you really do like these videos that you've been seeing so far. Really appreciate it, trying to get to 1,000 subs. So give me some love dub as I give some love dub back to you. Appreciate all the subs. All right, so way number 1 that dealerships can benefit from blockchain technology. And as you see here, it says registration and title management. Streamlining the registration process and all the title documents can have some benefits for time as well as cost. Instead of filling out multiple online forms and software systems in and out of state for registration, blockchain solutions would connect all parties. The buyer, the seller, the government, the third-party VIN and insurance databases. That's right, baby. It's going to collect them all together. It would potentially make the process lightning fast and transparent to all parties involved. And not just transparent in my humble opinion, but also reserving any proprietary information so that that does not go across. All right, but then go on from there. Just think, no more waiting 10 days for lender confirmation on a title transfer. Thanks to the technology, this can happen immediately. Way number 2, service and relationship management. Collecting data such as GPS service and driving tendencies is a benefit in the area of connected cars. That's right. You know, when your car is driving down the road and it needs to do an over-the-air update, or it needs to connect to the speed lane so that you can get in there and pay for your access pass to go faster. Well, those are one of the examples. When blockchain technology manages all of this data, the opportunities are wide open. For example, it could enable an owner driving history and behavior, which would make service upsells easier and more powerful. Let's put the brakes on it right there. What does that mean? For example, and I'll highlight it again, it could enable owner driving history and behavior, which would make service upsells easier and more powerful. Speak very closely on the insurance side. If your driving history and is just superb, because you're one of those Uber drivers or one of those Lyft drivers, and you know you're going the speed limit, you know you're not getting accidents, because you know Uber is watching you like the big brother they are, then you'll be able to perhaps get better driving insurance. So that's kind of nice. It may also come in handy when times to assign a trade-in vehicle, mark a lease, pull ahead offer, sell accessories, and more. That is right, you'll be able to utilize that. So if your vehicle if you spent a whole bunch of money aftermarket accessorizing your vehicle because you wanted to have all the great camping equipment on there and you're getting ready to sell it, wouldn't it be nice to have all of that value added to the vehicle right into the upsell portion of it all? Versus just relying on certain things from a KBB, which won't include the wonderful camping equipment that you provided, which you know, the eccentric people out there that are into that sort of thing, they're going to want it, and it's going to mean something to them. All right, let's move on to reason number 3. That is the ride sharing or subscription car ownership. I kind of touched on this just a minute ago. Ride sharing and subscription payment programs may actually be the most valuable and realistic area of influence. Why is that? A blockchain-based payment program could enable dealers to operate a subscription service of their own, or perhaps a ride-sharing service in their local area. That is right. Why would you need to sign into an Uber application or a Lyft application if you could literally go into a specific blockchain and make your vehicle, quite frankly, one of those ride shares? You could actually park your vehicle outside and have it enabled in a particular app so that someone could come along on a particular block, and instead of lifting your car out of its existence and out of your ownership because they stole it, it would actually be a ride share. They would take that vehicle because you work from home, and they would commute down the busy city streets in order to drive your vehicle. And the only way they're going to get into your vehicle, baby, how is that? Is because from point number 2, their insurance is in check, their driving history is in check, so they are able to rent/ride share your vehicle. And that would be the partial ownership. All right, so there are even emerging models of need-based insurance that could also use blockchain, as I previously suggested. So there you go, everyone. The bottom line here is a number of things. There's a lot of testing going on, a lot of experiments going on, and the chances of blockchain coming to a dealership near you is pretty darn good. That's right, you've heard it from the Automotive Blockchain channel. I have gone ahead and just digested this Elend Solutions article on 3 ways dealers can benefit from blockchain technology. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you next time.